The Care Preference Calculator provides quick, accurate, and localized pricing data to help you make informed decisions. This tool is a game changer for anyone needing to compare medical cost across different states, ensuring transparency and helping you find the best value. After entering the data, simply hovering over the state map with your mouse. You can instantly access the pricing of any medical item or service across the U.S. tailored to that region, whether you're a healthcare provider, patient, or administrator. Let's see how it works. Click on the Lookup Care preference on the right. Select the category of care. Either you can select a broad category or a subcategory. Second, you need to select the pricing method. Next, type in the keyword to look up the item or service and press Enter. Select the code associated with this service. Next, enter the number of service years. I'm going to put in 5. Then type in how many times you might need that service per year. I'm going to put in 6. Lastly, enter the cost based on market knowledge. I'll type in $200. Then click the Calculate button, and you can hover over any state and it will populate all the information you need, such as the state capital, zip code, the HIPAA code description, and pricing. Depending on your subscription plan here, you can see it has populated the Medicare fee, the Medicaid fee, the veteran fee, the average commercial fee, the medical cost projection per item service, and the reasonable price per item service per year and over a lifetime.